Welcome all to find the area of a square. This is what we need to do. So first is we'll write area. Suppose area is equal to side multiplied by side. Again you have to be careful. Side multiplied by side. That will give you the area. Then you can print area. That's all. Print area. So what is area? Area you need side here. So you give side, suppose this is 5, and we'll see whether we are able to print area or not. Yeah, area is 25. That's done, right? But now suppose you want to find the area of any square. Okay, it's not 5, it could be anything. If you write prompt, it will ask you, this is what we want to give it from the keyboard. So whatever you write, that will come. If you don't write anything, then also it's fine. Okay, we'll write B here, and B will be read line. Prompt once again. Then C is equal to A plus B. A plus B. So here I will get C. Then print C. This is what I want. If you want, you can take another variable, or you can go with the same variable. What you want? Shall I write C?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But you can write A also.
Okay.
Yeah. A is dot integer. So what you want? I mean, if you want, if I write A also, it will work. Okay. If you write A also, it will work. Why it will work?
Both if you A also it will work.
Why it will work? Because that will be replaced, right?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll show you that. Suppose let me use another one. H is suppose high. You print H. It was not there in C programming. You heard about C programming?
Yes, sir. See.
Yeah, that will not work. But here in R and Python programming, it will work. Now suppose H I will write 10. You print H. It will be 10. So once you define a string, it will remain string only in C programming. But in R programming, even you can change the variable to anything. If you want to keep string here, next time you want to keep an integer here, suppose you want to keep a list here, or any data structure you want to keep, not necessarily string, you have a vector here, then you change it to this one, then also that will happen. Then H I will write any suppose vector I will write, then also it will take. Okay, now print H. That is possible. So even if you write here, initially A was string. Okay, remember what will happen is the read line 1, when you write prompt is equal to this, then what will happen, whatever you get, that is a string. That one you have to change to, that one you have to change. Okay, I'm just taking a break, it's urgent.
Okay, sir.
Unfortunately that was wrong number. Anyway, by default read line prompt is something that will return a string. Okay, that string, if you write age.integer, the string will be an integer. That's what you need to do. Now b read line prompt is written here, so b will be a string. You can change it to this way. Okay, if you want to change a string to a number, you might ask a question, why you are writing as 0 to integer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, remember this is by construction, okay, by development. They developed this way. Read line will always give you a string. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, we'll verify that. Now we want to add and b, a plus b and print c, that's all. So what will happen is, here you can add any two numbers here. So let's start one by one now. Start with this. Okay,
Okay.
so you give a number, any number, 10. Okay,
Okay.
now in a, what is there? 10.
10.
Okay, if you print, you will get 10. Now you run this one, you give some number here, 20. Now what is there in b?
20.
20. Now what is c? A plus b. You run it, you didn't get anything.
Yes, sir.
Got it what I am saying?
Nothing. What we have to get 10 plus 20. That
20. That's why we have to run these two. We have to change, we have to run these two.
okay.
Then we have to run this one.
Okay.
Then we have to print c, 30.
Okay. Okay, sir. Now understood.
So what happens is, as I mentioned you, this will return, read line will return a string. Okay.
Okay.
So through this command you change that number, that string. Okay.
That thing.
Yeah. So I'll write one. You will be able to see print a. You will be able to see actually. So let me do it once again. Let me run this one and give 50. Sorry. Give 50. Now print a. You got 50. It's not an integer, right? Is it integer?
No, sir. Character. String.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So this one, the read line will always give you a string.
Okay. Read line always give a string. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, it will always give you a string. But now, if you run this one, then print a. Let me write print a here after this. Now 50. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. Understood.
Now you can add these two. Okay.
Okay.
So let me go to the original one. Now we'll do something more here. See, instead of just writing read line, if you write something so that it will ask a question, that will be better. That's why the codes are there. So please text or write the first number, whatever you write, that will come. And you can write a question mark also. After that you can write a colon also. Whatever you want, you will just write. So if you do this way, then what will happen? You will see this text. And here I will write the second number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me run these two lines, these 4 lines directly. No. I mean, first line I have to write, I have to give the value. Then I can run all. So let me run this. This worked, but I don't want this. Suppose 3 from starting will do. I am running the first line.
Okay.
Give 100. Now do the second one. See, it's asking a question, right? Please write the second number. This question, it came from whatever way you have written here. Okay.
Okay.
If you make it second number, it will ask this way.
Okay, sir.
You run it once again. Okay, here I have to do this. Run it again. See, second number, right? Whatever you write here within double quotes, that will come here. Okay? Got it?
Sir.
First number. Now we'll do once again. Now see, this is the whole one. Okay? So I'll run the first one. I'll give a value 1000. Then I'll run the second one. I'll give a number 2000. Then I will change to integer because these are no more integers. Okay, these are now strings. 1000 string, 2000 string. So I will run this one. Okay, then print C I have written, right?
Yes, sir.
But the value of C, if you want to see that way, you don't want to just see C, you want to see the value of C is you don't like this way. So I mean this is a better way so that you will be able to see properly. Now run this. The value of C is 3000.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, print F, that Y have written it, and after that value CF came. How?
No,
What?
see, not Y here in coding.
Yes, print F.
Yeah, that is the syntax.
Syntax for.
Syntax for printing. Suppose I will write print 5. Print 5. Run it.
I like that only print 5 means
Yeah,
5 will
print
come.
5. Okay, now print I will write hi. Print it. Done. Okay. What
Yes.
more you can print? You can print this one and you can print that one. What more you can print? Suppose I will write can you print this? Can you print this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you print C1?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. C1 you got 3000. Maybe I didn't run this. Yeah, there is a error here. Okay. I have to write C here. $3,000 it's showing. Oh, print K. 1030, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can print this also, K1. These things already you use, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, can you print a combination of, suppose, hi, hello, whatever you've written, and a variable like, instead of a vector, I will make it a easy variable, L250. Now I want to print high 50 both. Is that possible?
No, sir.
Yeah, that's what you are doing here. See, what you are doing is, you are printing whatever way it is, right?
Okay.
Suppose I will cut %I.
Percent I means why it has
Yeah,
come.
wait. I will cut %I, okay?
Okay.
And I will cut this. I don't need F here, S here. Here what will happen? See, whatever I've written, that will be printed.
Okay.
Whatever I've written, that will be printed. That's fine.
Okay.
But we don't want to print C here.
Okay.
Even if I write the value of C is, what is C here? 3000, right? Value of C is 3000. So if I write the value of C is 3000 here, you will get the answer, that's fine.
Yes, sir.
But how do you know it will be 3000? Because you are giving from the keyboard here. You have given 1000, 2000, then you will get 3000, that's fine. But if I change, then also you will get 3000.
Yes, sir.
Then how, I mean, this should be a variable, right?
Yes, sir.
This should be this C, not
Yes.
this C. Okay, not otherwise the value is, suppose, forget about C, the value is 3000. So here, if you write this way, the value is, the final value is, the sum is, okay, suppose write the sum is, forget about C. Now here, this is a variable, right? So this variable we don't want, we want to print C. We want to print this C, right?
Yes, sir.
But if I run this, you will get C only, you will not get the value.
Okay, okay. To print the value, that's the syntax we are using, sir.
Wait, yeah, that's correct. If I write D here, okay, the sum is D. If I write, then you will get the sum is D, you will not get the value.
Okay.
The value of D you will not get, because whatever is written within the syntax, that it will give you.
Okay.
So if you have written C here, if you write C here, you will not get it. So up to this only you write a comma and you write the variable name. Now here if you write %i,
Percentile.
yeah, %i for numbers, okay?
Okay.
I am talking only about numbers. I started with string, but that will create confusion. So I am only sticking to numbers now, okay?
Okay.
So this %i will be replaced by this, that's all. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Wherever %i is there, that will be replaced by value of C, not C.
Okay. Value
And
of
yeah, value of C. Not only that, you have to add here S, you have to write here F. That is the syntax you need to remember.
Okay.
So how you get the answer will be the value, the sum is this in %i, the value of C will be replaced. Okay. Now see here, 3000. Now let's complete this. I want to find the area of a rectangle. Okay. To find the area of a rectangle. Square also we can do. Square. So instead of writing side is equal to 5, we have to give side. Okay.
Okay.
So side is, suppose you write side A, B, C, whatever you write, it doesn't matter. Side is input again in Python. See, that's what I'm saying. Because so many programming language we are doing, it's not always to remember all command. Okay. Read line, prompt. Please write a number, or you can write please write the side, whatever you want. Okay. Please write the value of side or length of side, whatever you want, you write that. So that you will get in the form of a question. That will be good for you. Okay. Whatever you get, that will, you change that to side, then side multiplied with print area. That's done. But first line you have to run first. May run it. Yeah. So you write 5 or 10, whatever you want. Now 5 went to 5 is stored inside. Okay. But 5 in the string form. Then we'll do this one. Then we'll find area, then print area. All we can do. Oh, what is the problem? We have not written side here. Now run. So if I write this, that means it's working. Last time there was some problem. See, it's working.
Okay.
Now run this. Now run this. 25. There was some problem last time.